I think innovation is in our DNA. We're a young university, and we are used to change, and we have had to innovate just to get started, and we've never stopped.
Mason has always been on the cutting edge of graduate healthcare management education. To receive the Herzlinger CAHME Innovative Healthcare Management Education Program Award is really the pinnacle of awards for faculty and programs that not only aspire to be the best of the best, but that are in pursuit of constant innovation in order to secure the goals of the program.
We're just trying to stay on top of what the employers, what the big hospitals, the big medical practices, insurance companies, what they need.
Mason is a Tier 1 research facility, and the researchers that do the work here have a tremendous focus on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other emerging topics such as burnout in the healthcare workforce.
2 years ago, we won another national award, and we took the money that we won from that, and I approached 4 other program directors to see if they would be interested in all of us working together to form a case competition using students from our schools on mixed teams.
This DMV case competition allows students to be guided and given opportunities to learn how do you go about preparing for a case competition in a very non-threatening environment.
The benefit the students get from working together is learning from each other in different programs that are typically very competitive, but they have never had the opportunity to really meet somebody from another school, from another program, and how they might approach it.
The students competing against each other, but at the same time, you're getting to learn how other programs work.
This year, the grant money is going to be used to form strike teams of national experts to help us develop the next era of curriculum that will focus on generative AI, machine learning, revenue integrity, and robotics.
It's exciting. It is at the same time like going into the unknown, because the future, you don't know how it's going to be.
We're not teaching the same thing we taught 30 or 40 years ago. We're not even teaching the same thing we taught 5 years ago. And that sort of constantly developing and improving curriculum is itself innovative.
The question is really not, how do we combat the development of new tools, but how do we leverage these new tools to improve the curriculum and to change the way that we teach and that the students learn.
The constant feedback from employer, from student, back to the professors allows us to innovate, allows us to have confidence that what we're doing is working and is improving. And if it's not, we detect it right away and can change it.
The legacy that George Mason's MHA program really provides for our students, for the institution, for our employers, has to do with our passion for excellence and innovation.
We're already looking ahead to Generation Alpha and what their learning needs are. The first Generation Alphas are turning 15 this year, and they're going to be touching our program in 3 years. So we have a lot of work to do to continually innovate and invent new education models that meet the needs for the future. And this award takes us a long way in reaching that goal.